my name is Arjun and welcome back to another recipe. Today I'll be making cookie topped brownies or brookies. Brookies have the fudginess of brownies and crust of cookies which make them the perfect dessert. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! We'll start by making the cookie dough, for which we'll take butter and we'll add in brown sugar and castor sugar. I'll add in a few drops of vanilla . Now that our butters and sugars have creamed up completely, let's sift in our dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking soda and cornflour. We'll add in milk a little at a time. Now into this I'll add in choco chips. Now I'll cover it using cling film. Now I'll place this in the fridge while we make our brownie batter. For this we'll take chocolate and now we'll chop it into small chunks. Now into this large bowl we'll add in the chocolate . Next goes in butter . And I will place it in the microwave for 40 seconds, stopping every 20 seconds to stir. Now into this we'll add in brown sugar . Now we'll add in cocoa powder and coffee infused in water. Next goes in condensed milk . Now goes in our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder and baking soda. and goes in water. Now into this tin lined with parchment paper, we'll add in our brownie batter. And spread it evenly. Now we'll take cookie dough and scatter it evenly onto our brownie. We'll sprinkle some choco chips. Now we'll pop it in the oven at 170 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Hear that? It's done! Let's give it a try. The brownie's warm gooiness goes perfectly with the melt in the mouth cookies. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.